Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel SQL Analytics. Let's try to solve one interesting question. This question was recently asked during one of the interviews at PharmEasy for business analyst position. Let's see what the question is. So in the question, you are given a customer ID table. You are given one input table which has one column, let's say called as customer ID, and it has 5 rows in it. So if you see the 5 rows, it contains null, then 1, 2, 1 and null, right? So there are 5 rows in it. Now the question is that you need to give output of 3 things. The first thing would be what will be the output of select count star from the input table, right? The second one would be select count of customer ID and then select count of distinct customer ID. So you need to do just the 3 things, right? Count star, count customer ID and count distinct customer ID. And a lot of times what I have personally seen is a lot of people will get confused between the difference of the number of output that you will see here, right? So let's try to solve this part. So let's go with the first part. What is count star? Count star simply says that you have to count all of the rows, whether it contains duplicate, whether it contains null, it really does not matter. So you need to count all the rows, right, in that table. So ideally here you have 5 rows. So it will go to each and every record and those records will be counted. Okay, that's how it works. So I'll just label it like this so that it becomes kind of clear for everyone to follow. Let me make this. Okay, let's probably use this now. So ideally what is happening at the backend, it is counting this null, it is counting 1, it is counting 2, it is counting 1, it is again counting null. So the answer here is 5 rows. Okay, now what will happen with count customer ID? Count customer ID, right? So when you're saying that you need to count the customer ID column, it will only count non-null values, right? It will count all the non-null values. The only thing here is that given you are not differentiating between duplicates, it is bound to count the duplicates. So that's the only thing that you need to remember. So it will not count null, but it will count the duplicate part. So here, ideally, if you see these 3 rows, they will ideally get counted. Just for simplicity's sake, I am putting the backend, right? So the way it will count is it will count the 1, 2 and 1, right? So here the output will be 3. Now, what is count distinct customer ID? Count distinct customer ID will ensure that neither the nulls are counted nor the duplicates are counted. Okay, so 1 will be counted only once and 2 will be counted once as it is. So the answer here would be 2. Okay, so for count distinct customer ID, you have 2 rows as the output. For count of customer ID, you have 3 rows as output, and for count star you have 5 rows as output, as it will count all the values that are present in that particular column. Okay, cool. Thank you.